This is Colin with Sarkinen Plumbing, doing a sewer scope for the address of 19937 Southeast 6th Way in Camas, Washington. We're at the city main. We're pulling back towards the house. We're in cast iron pipe. It's a small offset there. A little bit of standing water. Small belly. You get a more significant belly here, the start of it, and I will indicate that as a mark at the end of the belly in the driveway. That's a significant belly still. Less of a belly, about 45 feet out. It appears that's the end of the belly. Here's basically the start of the significant belly, and I will indicate that as the start of the belly marked in the driveway. Alright, pulling back. Still in cast. We're transitioning to ABS. That will indicate the transition in the driveway as well. And here we're coming out of the standpipe, and this is be the access point where I cameraed from. Thank you.